Baba is a Mediterranean-influenced restaurant inspired by local and seasonal ingredients in an approachable and comfortable atmosphere. Local for us is within 450 miles. These ingredients showcase the beauty we are surrounded by and the bounty of the Pacific Northwest. Being a Mediterranean restaurant, our cuisine features quite a bit of lamb. We choose American lamb for flavor and tenderness. It also reflects our surroundings, combining our modern American style with classic Mediterranean flavors. We choose to use more economical cuts like shoulder and shanks to reduce ingredient costs and to save on labor, being able to do most of the cooking ahead of time. It's hard to beat the melt-in-the-mouth flavor of slow-cooked lamb. It can be added to so many different styles of dishes. One of my favorites is the clams and lamb dish. We saute mushrooms in brown butter, add our smoked shredded lamb and clams, the clam broth, garlic confit, preserved lemons, and finish with cilantro. And then we accompany it with a hand-rolled pita cooked in the hearth oven. I love American lamb for the intermuscular marbling. It creates an unctuous, beautiful meat that falls apart. This is clams and lamb with parsley herb salad. For the lamb tagine, the lamb is dredged in rice flour, seared in olive oil, then braised with celery, onions, barberries, garlic confit, olives, preserved lemons, raisins, parsley stems, fresh thyme, vegetable stock, and red wine. Then slow cooked in our oven and served with couscous and pan sauce, garnished with olives, preserved lemons, barberries, toasted almonds, cilantro, and olive oil. Lamb foreshank is another slow cooked cut that helps in portion consistency and is an impressive presentation in the tagine. American lamb can be utilized in so many different styles and approaches to cooking. We find so many ways that it fits into our restaurants in a way that feels authentic and delicious. Shakshuka is a dish featuring slow-cooked peppers and tomatoes baked with eggs and topped with chermoula sauce, herbs, and grilled American lamb merguez sausage. This humble traditional dish is given a big upgrade by American lamb. Our restaurants are based in the Northwest. That regional identity helps form our uniqueness that helps our restaurant stand out. This includes the people we hire, the farmers we use, the amazing products that come from our area, and I feel like that all comes together on the final plate.